to my channel, Mika TV, and I'm back with another Bumba Clyde video. In this video, I'm basically fucking pranking my sister, and I did a fart prank on her. So if you guys like to have a reaction, let me know in the comments down below, and I'll do more of this pranks. And don't forget to turn on your post notification so you guys won't miss out on any videos that I post. And yeah, let me know whatever videos y'all want to see. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and let's get straight to it.
People in the chair on a pillow. Did you pee? Go pee. You know, did he? Nigga got energy. God damn. So he said at 6 he on Instagram like 3. Bitch, who are you talking to on Instagram at 3, 4 in the fucking morning? Bitch don't get on all day, wait till the sun go down. Like, what the fuck is wrong with her? Like, she work night shifts. I'm done. Oh, I ain't. Hold up. What the fuck is going on? You can go live on fucking TikTok now?
Bruh.
Yeah, you been good. Yeah, please. I knew they was gonna say something. Niggas is haters though. Like real shit. I knew they was gonna say something about her baby. About her not having a mask on. Who? Chloe.
Well, on my birthday? I thought we said
Unless
that
she gonna say birthday girl
on it. That's the bitch who start going on their birthday, going in the bag and say, it's my birthday. Unless they do like the little art thing on their thing, then it's cute. Then I like my birthday. You don't see the creativity, but people put on their face.
So this nigga, but I don't know what this is leaking on there. He just need to go get his shit cut. Talking about after. After what? You got stressed out in the head, fellow?
Oh, hell no!
You know? Why you got a whole word and you're fucking
5 hours later.
She said, don't look at mine. He was like this, bitch.
Yes! That's what I'm like the fuck. I hope
This
you
bitch is obvious, nigga.
You farted? No, I ain't farted. It stank. That's killed. Like, why you the only one that started smiling.
I always smile, you know that? I always smile, you know that?
I found it.
It's a big ass can for $8.
Let me see.
It's Shay, because she was freaking out. I'm like, Shay, stop. You're going to make me freak out.
Freak out. What you mean? What is for the
Freak out.
my poop big guy?
Hey, Nick, what the fuck is that?
Kid, you still fun?
It's that.
That ass. Yo said that. What?
You got that liquid ass spray you can spray in my house?
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
It doesn't smell like nothing until y'all quiet. Don't make it
You
out.
know kid ass be stank. That ass is foul.
I'm 10 cards stupid.
We thought so. Why you give up? Bitch, you see this?
Bitch,
Yes.
And then it's the same like
I
I told
told
you
you
in my
to
house.
I'm
Like, I don't like that. That's why you want to come down here?
It's full of prank, girl. Shut your ass up.
Don't
Stop doing, nigga.
Don't fucking spray that shit
I'm
in my
sorry.
house.
At least I got you with eggs, man.
That shit gonna be lingering around. I don't like that.
Alright y'all, that's it for the video. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on post notifications so you guys will be able to know when the next video I post. And if you guys think this video was awesome, let me know down in the comments below. #MikaTreeGang. And yeah, we out.